SMMT is the trade association for the motor industry. We look after the interest of all our members, be it in front of government or for policy making or for showing what SMMT can do to the motor industry overseas. In our organization, we used to use backup exec in the past. The issues we had was that we had so much data that just kept on increasing, and we wanted to make sure that we were on a platform which would give us not only expandability, but it would be something that would just work. Before core DataCloud, we didn't actually have any remote access solution in place. There were a couple of challenges that we had. We wanted to make sure, firstly, to get away from tape backup system. Secondly, we wanted to make sure that the data that was being backed up would actually take a copy of the servers that we've got. Because there's some data which is mission critical, and we wanted to make sure that the data that we have got here can be restored. And if a server fails, we can restore a server quickly. With the previous solution, we had a situation going back a few years now where we were using one of the other backup solutions. Our data was being backed up. We were pretty confident that the data was getting backed up, but our server decided to die. We had a downage of about 24 hours. Since having the current situation that we've got in place, which is supplied by CDC, and obviously it is powered by EMC, we have been able to restore our servers within 4 hours.
We worked with EMC to build out services on the Isilon platform, and specifically around the backup and disaster recovery solution that we provide to SMMT. We were able to use Isilon to provide not only a backup repository off-site with the relevant retention policies, but also a platform which enables us to fail over SMMT's infrastructure as required, and the Isilon gives us the ability to have the retention that we need with the performance that we would need to run the SMMT infrastructure in case of failover.
Since Core have partnered with EMC, we have seen a considerable amount of improvement in the quality of service we are getting. The beauty of cloud model has been that we don't have to worry about what sort of hardware is being used. We have got our data here, and we know that we can access the data from anywhere.
So we've worked very closely with EMC in developing the solutions that we provide, and we work with the technical teams in the main to build out a solution that we believe ticks the boxes from a customer requirement perspective. And it gives us the ability to offer a fully managed backup and disaster recovery solution at a competitive price point, which provides the level of functionality that SMMT need to continue operating as a business without disruption. So the EMC Service Provider Programme has been very good for us, not least because of the fact we can leverage the EMC brand as the largest and most prominent storage company in the world. Aside from that, being part of the programme has enabled us to work closely with the EMC technical and sales teams, not only to develop solutions that we believe are fit for purpose in the market, but also to help us take those out there into the potential customer base.
CDC is one of my preferred suppliers, I must say. Their support team is always available. You can ring them at night, day, doesn't matter what time you call them. They're always at the end of the line. I would definitely recommend them, yes.